Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add cinematics scene or image from movies in Canva. So let's try to open the apps. Don't forget to sign in first. And here you can try to find Shot Deck. Add HD cinematic images from movies, TV, and also and more. So this is the library of film, one beautiful shot at a time. You can search over 1.5 million images from movies, TV, commercial, music video to find perfect shot for your pitch decks or presentation. So let's try to use new design. Click on let's start presentation. And here, this is the shot deck. Wait for a moment, no loading. But you have to connect to your account. Now after you sign up, after you connect to this shot deck account, so here you can search title or keyword. For example, let's start with a Lord of the Rings movie. Let's try this one, Lord of the Rings, Return of the Kings. And here we go, we got the Frodo begging, or we got a Aragorn. And let's try another movies like Star Wars, for example. Star Wars, a Rogue One, or let's try with the Pantomimes. And here we go, this is the Star Wars Pantomimes. So we got the scene now. So feel free to try this shot deck. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.